Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 19th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. Sorry for the delay. I was busy working on the other interesting coding stuff. I will let you know what all those things in the coming videos, and thank you so much to the subscribers for supporting me. Right now I'm working on the receipt app. Whenever we click the like button, that specific item will be stored in the local storage, right? Now, let's add those liked meals to our favorite meal stuff. Means, whenever we like any meal, that meal should pop on the favorite meals. Let's do it. Wait, I'm getting an error as you can see in the console. I didn't figure it out how to solve this thing. I will solve it by tomorrow and explain why it is coming. So, this is what I tried today. Even if you get the same error, then let me know through comments. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.